Do you want to take your camping van life to the next level? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. Technically a product unpackaging, not really unboxing, but this is my second set, and I already have my first set in my van life van already that I'm going to be building, so you want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. These are by the company. I'm going to botch the pronunciation of the name. It's EDEUOEY. And if you guys have not already seen chairs like these, let's just get this out of the wrapper right now. They do have them in different colors. Just like all my videos, I will link it right below in the description box. You guys over in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. If not, one very similar to it. But what's awesome is look at how small that case is. And these are great for barbecues, for beach bonfires, for van life, for camping, because it's so small. Has little hooks up here, just tie that on your backpack. Super lightweight. And we're gonna go ahead and unfold this. Super simple to get it up and running. They do give you a carabiner as well. Use that carabiner to hook that onto your backpack or stash it up in the corner of your van life. And they also give you a replacement part right there. This is your seat right here with your mesh backing. We're gonna put this together for you in just a split second, but to take it to the next level, you're gonna have a pop-up table as well. Again, I already have my first set in my van. Was outside drinking coffee, enjoying some nice weather with my pup. This also comes in a drawstring bag. The other one's zippered. This is a drawstring. And that's your top of your table. And this is your table stand right here. We're gonna get into that. Super simple to get up and running. Simply clips in there, clips in there. This folds out, and there's little hooks on top and latches on the bottom. And there is your van life coffee table right there. Be able to eat on that, put your coffee on it, put your portable stove. It's a great height sitting next to your chairs. And again, putting it together in literally about 60 seconds or less. Super simple. So let's go ahead and put the chair together. Let's go enjoy it. So the one we're looking at right here, this is the Bigfoot one. And the red one is gonna be the Smallfoot one. And the difference is the smaller little pads down here at the bottom, where the Bigfoot are much larger than the smaller foot ones, if you prefer a little bit more stability. Here are both side by side here, as you can see how much larger this one is. I will have all of them linked in the description box below, as with the tables. Now let's come over here and show you how to assemble this other one. We have our little Velcro strap, comes right around. These are aluminum, and they all fling out like this, just kind of like a tent. Plug them in the different holes here, here, and here. Your small ones are gonna go on the bottom, like that right there. And then we're gonna take our top like this. Remember, the mesh is the back, and then you're gonna use these little hooks down here at the bottom to slip right over your ends of your aluminum bars right here, like that there. And then your top, you might have to pull it just a little bit, give it a little stretch out, fit it on, and there you go right there. Super simple, soccer games, camping, van life, sets up in a second. And remember, the package is only about this big. A lot better than those Walmart $5 chairs that are like this long and like that big around. Sure, they might pop out a little bit easier, but this, I mean, that literally took me 30 seconds. I'm used to these chairs, and so that does make it very beneficial. Now, I believe the Bigfoot, I believe that folds up really nicely in the case. Due to the big feet, I think the packaging might be a little bit larger, the case for it. So whatever chair you prefer, it's totally up to you. To be honest with you, the stability of that one is just fine, but if you prefer a little bit more of a bigger foot for your pad underneath there, let me see, let me give it a little bit of a rock test here. I can't tell too much. You know, obviously I'm on kind of hard soil right here, so they both feel the same. Obviously this one is a little bit more of nylon material here, here, and here, where this one, it's just the sides here, and then this is all mesh right here. So totally up to you. This one feels pretty comfortable as well, as does that one. It's totally up to you what you prefer. Pick them both up, pick a couple tables up, take your van life, your camping to the next level. And then when you're done, folds up in seconds. Pop your top off right here. That pops off, folds up. These clamp back on like that. You do have a couple bars right here that you do have to remove, here and here. Once those are removed, that comes up, that comes down. You load that up in the case, 30 seconds flat. Same thing with the chairs. when you're ready to go. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. In the description box right below the video is going to be these tables. They're going to be the chairs, the different ones, of course. You guys can read more about them, see what other people are talking about them. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. I highly recommend them. They're great chairs. Again, small and convenient is why I like them. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out of the video. It helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe. Also, we have behind us a 10-acre farmhouse remodel. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for that, and subscribe if you like videos like this. We're going to have more content on the channel like this. Your links are again below. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.